Yeah, absolutely. I get book orders every day. Most of them are small these days, but over time, over 31 years, we've supplied collections to major academic libraries all over the world. You know, the U.S., Canada, Israel, Germany, Poland. We've sent many free books to Eastern Europe, to libraries that didn't have budgets. We have customers everywhere. We had a customer in Thailand for a while, to whom we were regularly sending Yiddish books. We've had customers in Japan. We had a guy in Northern Ireland for a long time. Right now I have somebody in Sweden who's really interested in making regular orders, and also in Berlin. You just never know where